Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going to start inside by doing a DIY. We are going to make a hydrangea wreath. I recently was at a boutique and I saw one of these and I thought, oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And I think it would look so pretty on my wood front door, but it was $120. And for a minute, I was like, you know what, that's probably worth it. I'll just get that one. And then I thought, you know what, no. I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby and see what it would cost to make one. And then if it's like similar or, you know, more expensive, because florals nowadays are so expensive. I don't know if you've noticed that, but they are not cheap. So I was like, we'll see what happens. Obviously I went to Hobby Lobby and I bought all the supplies for about $50, and it's going to be bigger than the one at the boutique, and I think it's going to be a lot fuller. So I'm happy with that, and I want to make it with you. So I hope you'll join me. And then once we're done making the wreath, we will go outside and do a little spring refresh on my porch. Like I told you before, that's one of my favorite videos to watch and to make. So I'm really excited about that. But I wanted to just share with you what I bought to make the wreath. So I have a great wreath form. I think this was $5.99. This was the only thing that wasn't on sale. And then I picked up 4 of these. And these are just like a bush of hydrangeas. They were $19.99 a piece, but they were on sale for 40% off. So what I have done is I have cut off the little flowers off 2 little bunches. And there's 5 on each bunch. And what I did when I went to the store is I laid this out, and I was just gonna buy like just a stem of hydrangeas and put them around, thinking I could do maybe like 10, but it was going to be way expensive to do it that way. So when I saw these, I was like, oh, that'll work. That'll be perfect. So I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm going to hot glue all these around. And my goal is to just make it as full and as fluffy as possible. And then I'm gonna go through and cut off some of these leaves and stick them throughout, I think. So I've cut these off, and I'm just going to put them in. And I want it to go on the outside too. So I'm just gonna hot glue them kind of like that. But I'll just do a little, what's it called, time lapse. And I mean, this is so simple to do. You just need some hot glue and the flowers and a really good sharp pair of scissors to cut the flowers off the wreath form. So let's make it.
We're going to start the front porch off by filling these pots that I've had on my porch. The pots need a little refresh. They're looking a little sad, but I'm going to wait until the summertime to spray paint them. They're just a metal planter that I got from Target. Anyway, just filling that with some pretty basic spring florals, some tulips, some violas, and some pansies. I love the color combination. You can't really tell right now, but those are pink tulips. And then I have the white pansies, and then I have those beautiful light lavender violas. They are so pretty. I love those. I was so glad to see I could find like a 6-pack of them this year. I bought something last year that had those in it, but I've never been able to find just those. So I was very excited about that. They're very basic, but super fun, and I think they're going to last perfect for spring. I'm going to start just cleaning off the glass. I haven't cleaned it for a while, so it needed a good cleaning. But like I said, this is just a basic clean. I'm not going crazy. Just going to sweep off the dirt, and then when summer comes, we'll do a really good clean. But it's still cold here, and we have the dreaded spring. I have that giant tree in my front yard that gets beautiful in the spring, but it is so messy. So there's not really any reason to give a good clean right now, because I'll have to do it again in just a couple of weeks. So just gonna sweep everything off, because there are some leaves and just dirt from the winter time, and I'm gonna just brush, like I said, just brushing that off, and then I'm gonna replace the pillows with some spring ones, and then that's it.
Okay, so I showed you guys how I made my wreath. I'm gonna hang it on my door, but I don't have like a door hanger. Well, I do right here, but I want this to look like it's hanging from ribbon. Can you see the little cute little bow in there? I will obviously fix it, but what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just put it on top of the door, and then I'm going to pound a nail in the top of the door, and that's how it'll look like it's being hung from ribbon, but it's well, it is, but that's how I'm going to secure the ribbon to the door. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.